Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Sudoku. Let's dive right into understanding this popular logic puzzle. Sudoku involves a 9 by 9 grid, partially filled with numbers. Your objective is to complete the grid using digits 1 through 9. It's a fantastic way to sharpen your mind and enjoy a quiet challenge. We'll cover everything you need to start playing today. The Sudoku grid is a 9 by 9 square, further sectioned into 9 smaller 3 by 3 boxes. The fundamental rule is that every single row must contain the digits 1 through 9 exactly once. Similarly, every column must also feature each digit from 1 to 9 without any repetition. This structure forms the core challenge of the game. To begin solving, identify numbers that can only fit in one specific cell within a row, column, or 3 by 3 box. Many players use pencil marks, which are small numbers written in cells to indicate possible candidates. This helps visualize options. Also, search for hidden singles, where a number can only appear in one cell within a given unit, even if other candidates exist. For more complex puzzles, try techniques like naked pairs or pointing pairs to eliminate candidates. Remember, consistent practice is key to mastering Sudoku and developing your intuition. Don't be afraid to try different difficulty levels. Also, make sure to check the description below for a link to a fantastic book that can truly change how you think about money, as well as other great deals. Keep challenging yourself.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.